Hello friends. Recently I've been to San Francisco visit and I had decided to use only public transportation for my traveling just to make the visit more fun. No matter how much Google or research I did, I was still in for a surprise. I read about BART apps on Google and downloaded it and found there are so many apps but very less of them is useful. I found BART to Airport app very useful because I was able to book ticket on my mobile and also got 25% discount. Also note that for every ticket booked from airport there is an additional $5 charge per trip, and that is irrespective of a mobile ticket or a normal ticket. The advantage of mobile ticket is you don't have to scan it anywhere and you just flash it to the security guard and he'll open the door for you. To my surprise, I found many painting vending machines to be non-functional. So better load sufficient amount which is good enough for returning back to your source station. Also be careful with credit card. Only once I was able to book a ticket using my credit card in BART. After that it got declined every time I used it. So better carry debit card or exact change with you. Regarding safety and cleanliness, don't be surprised if you find the BART cabins to be very dirty and smelly. And if you are traveling late in the evening or at night, you may meet drug addicts, beggars. They may not bother you, but you may get uncomfortable with them around. Also note, there are no restrooms at most of the stations, so you better be master of your own bladder. Onboarding BART Metro, another important thing. Read the indicator carefully because I was in a hurry and I boarded a wrong metro, and it took me a lot of time to come back to my original path. The same platform is used by for metros going to different destinations, so be careful while reading the indicator. That was my experience. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.